Myntri rangba Khubor konrat ke sangma mentakasngi ula Kynduh yo Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng badai peja ke Tnad coal and mines uji Kishan ready hanong ba New Delhi bane Kren Halor ke Ishu kamti Dewiong ha Khubborjylla. Hakani ke jingya Kynduh Myntri rangba ula pensyai ha Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng habaya dei bat kariti bat Kynduh jong Khubborjylla ka baha ba kernit bahnriu bat ba kajaka bat kumju ki marpo Kynduh ru ki ha ba ki riu shimet ka kur lani ka shnong bat kamdei satya jong ka Sorkar.
Okay. We just had a meeting with the Honorable Minister for Mining and for Coal, Government of India, Shri Kishan Reddy ji, and discussed in detail with all the officials regarding the mining situation, especially to do with coal in the state of Meghalaya. And the response was extremely positive, and Honorable Minister has directed that a committee should be formed immediately to look into the ways and means in which we'll be able to help the smaller miners in our state and be able to give the opportunity for them to move in a legal way, which is a challenge as of now. And therefore, a very, very positive, constructive meeting was held. Very soon we'll be forming this committee and we'll look into the ways and means, keeping in mind obviously the constitutional provisions, keeping in mind the legal acts and other aspects, and yet looking at the local situation in Meghalaya and being able to find a solution so that our small time miners can benefit from the changes that will take place. So it was a very positive meeting, and once again I thank the Honorable Minister for his time as well as for his concern and his direction for us to move forward. Thank you so much.